Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how it feels to drive a Ford F250 original. Buckle up and adjust seat and mirrors before you start. At first, the truck greets you with a commanding view, firm controls, and a deep, steady rumble that feels purposeful. Everything is scaled up, from the steering to the pedals, and that scale gives you confidence and a strong sense of control. Get comfortable with the F250's weight, and you'll find predictability in corners and calm on long drives. The steering requires a firm hand around town, but settles into a confident, highway-ready feel. Braking is substantial and designed for heavy loads, so expect a different modulation than small cars. The power delivery rewards steady throttle input, and the truck's momentum makes highway cruising relaxed and composed. The F250 balances work and comfort with roomy seats and practical storage that make long drives easier. Visibility is a standout feature, with a high vantage point and large mirrors that help when towing or navigating traffic. Interior materials feel durable and functional, designed for daily use. Overall, comfort centers on function rather than luxury, and the layout supports both job site tasks and comfortable highway miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.